In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to snooze an email in Outlook. If your inbox gets crowded with messages you can't act on right away, snooze is a simple way to hide an email now and have it come back when you actually need it. Let's walk through it together from the web version of Outlook. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then press Enter. In the results, click the official Microsoft Outlook site to open the web app. If you're prompted to sign in, use your regular account credentials and continue. Once Outlook loads, you'll be ready to manage your messages without clutter. Inside Outlook, go to your inbox. Depending on your settings, you might see Focused and other tabs. Either one is fine. Find the message you want to postpone and click it to open the reading pane. Choose something that you intend to handle later, like a follow-up request, a bill reminder, or a travel confirmation you only need next week. At the top right of the message header, look for the More Options icon. It's a small drop-down or three-dot menu. Click that to reveal additional actions. From the list, choose Snooze. This tells Outlook you want this message to temporarily leave your inbox and return at a specific time. A scheduling panel appears with suggested options such as later today, tomorrow, this weekend, or next week, along with a choice to pick a specific date and time. Select the option that best matches when you want to act. If you choose a custom date, set the exact day and time that fits your schedule. Keep time zones in mind if you travel, and aim for a time you're actually likely to be available. After you confirm, the email disappears from your inbox. Don't worry, it isn't deleted. Outlook files it for you and brings it back at the time you picked, usually at the top of your inbox and marked as unread, so it's easy to spot. That's all there is to it. By searching for Outlook, opening the site, heading to your inbox, selecting the message, opening More Options, choosing Snooze, and picking a time, you turn a distracting email into a timely reminder. Use Snooze thoughtfully. Choose realistic times. Avoid pushing things too far out, and let your inbox reflect what needs attention today. When the moment arrives, the message returns, right when you're ready to handle it.